How to add the chats on WhatsApp to your home screen. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So start by opening your WhatsApp, but before that make sure your WhatsApp is installed and updated to the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features. For that you must need to go on the Google Play Store and you can simply search for WhatsApp right here. After searching for WhatsApp, see if there is any update option available. If there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open a WhatsApp as it is. And after updating, you can just choose any chat that you like on WhatsApp. For example, if I want to choose this chat, and when I go to the three vertical dots on the top right side, I will see many options right here. So among those options, you need to tap on Add Shortcut. Now, when you tap on the Add option and when you go back, you will see that the very number that you just added is now on the shortcut option. Now if you want to remove it, then you can just tap on the remove option like this. So that's how you can simply do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.